The biggest risk into an organization is its employees. Cyber criminals know how to leverage employees and manipulate employees to gain access into an infrastructure. And one of the ways that we can combat this is through awareness and training. A cybersecurity program needs to have some awareness and training. And some ways that we can convey information and create awareness and train our employees is through the policies that we have and making employees sign those policies. We will want to have an acceptable use policy and make our employees sign those acceptable use policies. I like to have a separate password policy to drive home the point because passwords are so important. And then there's also the handbook side of this. We could put inside the employee handbook, we could put information regarding our policies and awareness and training. So that way when employees are onboarded, they will see that information inside the employee handbook. I also like to send out emails periodically when I see some issues or think that something needs to be reiterated. I'll send out emails or do messaging within instant messaging. And then there's this training component. We need to have training at least annually, maybe quarterly, maybe perhaps it's throughout the year, but we need some sort of training to make people aware of cybersecurity principles. And then also doing testing, things like phishing campaigns where we send out phishing messages, phishing messages to see who responds to that. And there's a lot of software that can help us out with that. But what I found is without that testing that happens afterwards, that people are going to continually fail at putting in proper cybersecurity principles.